Children, let's take quite interesting one. What is this one trying to say? A line or the line x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0 bisects the segment joining 8 comma minus 1 and 0 comma k. Find the value of k. Understand word by word. Try to draw diagram. Mind you, diagram doesn't carry any marks. Then why we draw diagram? For our understanding purpose. With the help of diagram, at least we get to know what the question wants to say, and accordingly we shall answer the question. So let's understand by reading it, simultaneously drawing the diagram. A line x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0. So there lies a line. So I'm just drawing an inclined line, mind you. The line x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0. So let me say that this is what my line x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0 is. Bisects the segment joining. So this line is bisecting. Bisecting means dividing into two equal parts. Is bisecting another line which is joining 8 minus 1 and 0k. So let me say there is a line. Let me say this is a line segment with coordinate 8 comma minus 1 and 0 comma k. Let this be B. Try and understand, children. It is this line, our line x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0 is bisecting the join of or the joining of line segment 8 comma minus 1 0 comma k. So when they say it is bisecting, shall I say, let me say point M is a midpoint. Let me say point M is a midpoint. Find the value of k. So how will I get the value of k? Now when I know that M is a midpoint of AB, with the help of midpoint formula, shall I get the coordinate of point M? Shall I get the coordinate of point M? But then those who have already understood the sum might say, sir, we are going to get the coordinate of point M in terms of k only. Yes. Because my A and B has k involved in it, or k has a coordinate, my M will also have k. But then, can I say this point lies on this particular line x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0? And we have learned, what have we learned then? Any point lying on a line should satisfy the equation of line. So whatever coordinates we get for point M should satisfy the equation of line x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0. Right? I hope my children have understood what exactly we are trying to say in this particular sum. So let's start our sum as. So let us say solution. Let us say let A be 8 comma minus 1 identically equal to x1 y1, B 0k identically equal to x2 y2. Let M, say this is x3 y3, this is x1 y1, and this is x2 y2. So let M x3 y3 be the midpoint of line segment AB. And who told you that it's a midpoint of line segment AB? As our question categorically says that this particular line x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0 bisects the join of A and B. That means M is a midpoint. So by using midpoint formula, what is it? We know that x coordinate of point M, or you can say x3 since we have stated x3 is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y3 is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2, isn't it? x3 is x1, it's 8, x2 0 by 2, y3 is minus 1 plus k by 2. Can I say x3 is 8 plus 0, 8 by 2 is 4? Can I say y3 is minus 1 plus k? Can I just rearrange it to say k minus 1 by 2? So I never got an integral value. I got the coordinate of y in terms of k. That's what we expected earlier. Therefore, the coordinate of point M x3 y3, therefore point M has coordinates x3 y3, which is 4 comma k minus 1 by 2. You can say identical equal to x3 y3. Now can I say from the diagram that point M lies on this particular line? So the coordinates, which we have got it right now, should satisfy the equation of line. Since point M lies on the line graph, since point lies on the line graph what? X minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0. Therefore, the coordinates of point M should satisfy the equation of line. Therefore, substitute. What to substitute? Substitute x equals to what? 4 and y equals to k minus 1 by 2. What I need to substitute? X equals to 4 and y equals to k minus 1 by 2 in above equation. We just write down. Therefore, x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0. We are just writing it that equation once again. Instead of x, we shall say 4, 6 into y, which is k minus 1 by 2 plus 11 equals to 0. Can I say this 2 gets cancels off 1 times 3 times. So what we are left with? We are left with 4, open down the bracket, minus 3k, minus of minus, plus 3, plus 11 equals to 0. K on one side, constants on other side, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 11, 18, minus 3k when goes over there, becomes plus 3k. I'm just writing once again the same thing. 3k is equals to 18. What shall be the value of k? K is 18 by 3. The value of k is 6. The value of k is 6. So what was interesting over here, indirectly they stated point M being the midpoint of AB. In what sense and what language? The line x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0 bisects the line segment. So now when we know M is a midpoint, we found the coordinates of point M by midpoint formula. Since point M lies on the line graph, the coordinate should satisfy the equation of line. With the help of that, we got the value of k, right?